guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa. If you're new here, hello. If you're unsubscribed, click the subscribe button and notification bell. Sorry about the weird entry, but yeah, today I wanted to play with a few new products that my dear sister got me, which is the second edition of the Mandalorian. This time it's the Mandalorian, and I have this and then one other product. So here is the palette. I'm going to do a really quick look because today is actually Thanksgiving and we're going out. And I have the lip oils. And Din Jajaria and Gru. So those are it. Isn't that cute? I'm going to use this, but I'm going to put on a lipstick in a little bit afterwards because I know it's not going to last. So I'm going to do a really quick eye look for you guys. So and I'm going to use probably something to pop it out, which is like a silver liner or something like that. And I'm trying to find a brush. I forgot to grab a brush. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with Navaria, or actually no, Bethana Trax. This right here. I'm going to do a really quick look. Nothing fancy dancy, and I'll use my fingers. And I have press-on nails because my other ones came off. So this is way too fluffy. Too fluffy. I'll look for a different brush in a second. I'm buying the clean up one. This is just to hack onto there, and let me see. I'm gonna grab one of my packer brush, and I'm gonna use my cinema stuff. And I have makeup bags that are getting filled right now too. And I'm gonna wear magnetic lashes today too. Alright, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to try and do a halo eye. So, I'm going to go in with this color right here and then probably one of these two at the bottom. We'll see. I'm going to put this in my crease first. And it's still a little damp. And just brush that all on my lid. It's a very tan light color. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to probably use a little bit of the Creed. Let me see. There's nothing on that one. I'm using this as the way. And slightly blending them together, trying to leave the center as open. I'm not going to try to cut it. I'm combining it with the other color just to tone it down just a little bit. I don't want a heavy look. And there is a lot of kickback on the pan itself. Yeah, there's a lot of kickback. So I'm going to go in with the Creed just to darken up right here. And it does have a little bit of glitter, but I know how their stuff works and it does not stay. That's what I needed. Sorry. I'm trying to do this really, really fast because we gotta leave really, really soon. So going in with that fluffy brush to blend those colors together, and I'm like really doing a sloppy job here, guys. And I think I'm gonna use the Creed for under my eyes. As tightly, but I'm not bringing it all the way down. And there's quite a bit of kickback on that too. Nothing on this one, and I'm just gonna buff it out a little bit. To soften up. Okay. So I'm gonna use Clan of 2, and then I'm gonna use Best Grow Still. Or I can't. Sorry guys, I'm really bad at pronouncing things. So I'm gonna use those two. I think I'm gonna use, yeah, I'm gonna use a glitter glue real quick and put it on the center. It's not gonna be the most impact or most glamorous halo eye, but it's a quick, cute little palette with this one. Okay, I think those are good, and I'll enforce it in a bit. So, okay, come on. It looks like some of the shade gone. It looks green, but then it goes on really differently. And right there it shows green. I don't know, something's going on. I'm gonna grab my pinky and put it right. See, that's what I was looking for. I'll fix it with the brush in a second. Trying to get it impact in the center. It kind of like bled over. Now I have hair. Dipping in those two brushes colors real quick and just trying to reinforce that color out there just a little bit. I think I'm going to re-impact it just a little bit more so you can see it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to concentrate. Alright, so that is the best I can do. And it doesn't look too bad. It's cute. I don't think it's a bad palette, really. It's really cute. Reinforce that sand color up here a little bit more. Let me see, I'll bring it a little bit down here. Try to soften down here a little bit. But yeah, it's not a bad look. It's really cute. It's not like overpowering, not overly done, but it is a cute palette. Let me do the lip stain because see how that tests out, because I'm trying to rush. And I think I'm going to use the Bounty Hunter one. The one that has the Bounty Hunter on it. See how that works. Because it's a oil, lip oil. Not bad feeling. Gives a little bit of a pinky tone to my lips. But it's nothing that bad. I'll keep this on for a few minutes. But I think it's cute. The little other one, I'll show you guys. So here's the other one. You can see a little better. It's just a bunch of glitter. And here's this one. It really doesn't give much pigment at all. Just very hint. See, very well. So let me get the rest of my eyes done. Lashes, and liner, and mascara, and I'll be right back, so give me one moment. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I need to fix my bangs a little bit. But yeah, it really just mushed. It just collided with each other. It's not bad. I don't mind it. It's a cute look. But I'm definitely getting rid of the gloss. But I'll take pictures with it and without it. But I don't mind. I'm wearing a pair of my magnetic lashes that I got as a tryout, PR, whatever you want to call them, through an Amazon sale thing. And they're really cute. I like them. Everything, I will sit down when I get back from my little vacation and finish putting all of the descriptions and everything down below of all the products I use. I know I have 6 and this will be my 7th or 8th, something like that, video that will be needing to put the stuff on. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, give it a like down below. Leave comments, whatnot. I truly appreciate it. Oh, these are from Open Crypt. I just love them, they're so cute. But yeah, if you want to, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I do try to air multiple times out of the week. But I hope you're all having a good weekend and everything, and I love you all. Until next time, okay guys, bye! I hope you're all doing good and having a safe week and everything, and I love you all. Until next time, okay? Bye!